Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cornbread in your air fryer. First, combine your preferred cornbread mix with the required wet ingredients, like milk and eggs, according to the package directions. Ensure your batter is smooth and lump-free. Next, lightly grease a small air fryer-safe baking dish or silicone mold. This prevents sticking and ensures easy removal. Finally, preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes to ensure even cooking from the start. Now that your air fryer is preheated, carefully pour the cornbread batter into your prepared dish. Fill it about 2/3 full to allow for rising. Gently place the dish into the air fryer basket, ensuring it sits flat and stable. Close the air fryer and cook for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. Cooking times can vary, so keep an eye on it. To ensure your cornbread is perfectly cooked, perform a simple toothpick test. Carefully insert a clean toothpick into the center of the cornbread. If it comes out clean, your cornbread is ready. If there's wet batter, continue cooking for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, then retest. This method guarantees a moist interior and a beautifully golden crust every time. Once your cornbread is done, carefully remove it from the air fryer and let it cool in the dish for a few minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to remove without crumbling. Then, slice it into portions and serve warm with your favorite toppings, like a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside a hearty bowl of chili. It's a quick and easy side dish everyone will love. And hey, for other great deals, and to check out that amazing Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.